In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to update PHP on Bluehost. So the first thing that we'd like to do, of course, is just go and open whatever browser you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here in my case, I'm actually using Brave. But of course, in your case, you can use any other browser could be possibly working for you. Once you open that browser, make sure to go into this URL section and simply type bluehost.com and hit the enter button, which will actually take you into this page, which is going to be your home screen or your main screen on the Bluehost website. Of course, if you want to log in into your account and if you already have it, simply click as login button at the top right corner. And if you don't have an account, you'll have to click at get started or simply because this choice will get you to choose a plan and it's going to be a bit expensive because you will have to commit with them for 1 year. You can simply just go and buy your own domain by clicking at this domains option right here. And of course, it will take you to the page that will give you the opportunity to buy your domain from, and from there you can start and create your account with that way also. So for me, I'm just going to click at login, which will log in into my account directly because I already logged in into my account in this PC. And that is going to be my screen once I logged in into my account. So as we said in the beginning of this tutorial, we would like to update PHP on Bluehost. So of course, if you want to do that, once we are at, click on this advanced button, which will open this new page for you. Here, make sure to scroll down until you find multi PHP or something like that. Of course, if you didn't find it, you can simply like here go to the top and simply type PHP config, which will open this for you directly, which is the multi PHP any editor. Simply click on it if you want to update your PHP. And here, of course, if you want to update it, you'll have to get into this editor mode. And of course, you'll have to select the direction or the location. So let's say as an example, this is going to be my website. And here, as you can see, you will be able to edit or to update your PHP. Once you finish, click at save button, you'll be good to go. So that will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching and goodbye.